On February 8, 2021, Trooper Ennis was patrolling in Fulton County when he spotted a blue motorcycle speeding westbound on GA 166. The trooper activated his emergency lights in an attempt to conduct a traffic stop, but the rider refused to stop and fled, initiating a high-speed pursuit.
166 westbound, blue motorcycle. And we're 1080.
I am going to hold 10-3, 10-33, 10-80. 7-9, what's your name?
166 westbound, coming up on 285 in a minute.
Update on your location.
Still westbound, 166, coming up on 285.
On 285.
Get on 285.
Get on 285.
285 south.
The pursuit continued from GA 166 onto I-285, where the rider reached speeds exceeding 140 miles per hour while passing traffic on the shoulder. As the chase continued, the motorcyclist attempted to squeeze past traffic near the Conley Road overpass, but struck the median wall and crashed before trying to run from the scene on foot.
Still getting on 285. We're on 285 southbound.
285 southbound. Can I get all day?
And still southbound past the
And 797, okay. 971, standing by at River Road.
coming up on Riverdale.
797, can I get update?
Past Riverdale Road.
And then 837, can I get update?
Troopers quickly caught up to the suspect and took him into custody without further incident. He was identified as John Andrews, and investigators later discovered he was driving on a suspended license, carrying methamphetamine, and riding a motorcycle that had been reported stolen. After being medically cleared, Andrews was transported to the Clayton County Jail. On January 29, 2021, a Georgia State Patrol trooper observed a silver Mazda bypass stop traffic and run a red light at the intersection of GA3 and Upper Woolsey Road. The trooper attempted to conduct a traffic stop, but the driver immediately accelerated and fled, initiating a pursuit through Fayette and Henry counties.
I'm going around the track at the off of 19. This is a gray Mazda,
Master, stand by for detainment. Robert Lincoln Williams, 5343. Robert Lincoln Williams, 5343. Speedway and Low Gloucester Road. I'm inside of, I believe it's Henry County. I'm inside of Henry County. You clear? Radio I'm at Selfridge Road. Okay, about to hit a vehicle head on. Stand by. Okay, they passed on a solid.
The suspect drove with complete disregard for public safety, repeatedly traveling on the wrong side of the road, passing vehicles across double yellow lines, and reaching speeds of more than 100 miles per hour in 35 and 45 miles per hour zones. He ignored multiple stop signs and traffic lights, nearly caused several head-on collisions, and even came dangerously close to striking road construction workers. Okay, we're on the DOT zone. Stand by. I'm trying to tell them again. The pit maneuver caused the Mazda to lose control and collide with another vehicle, bringing the pursuit to an end. Both the driver and passenger were taken into custody without further incident. During an inventory search of the vehicle, officers discovered a large bag of suspected marijuana. Investigators later identified the driver as Dominique Lamar Haynes and learned the vehicle had already been involved in another police pursuit before the trooper encountered it. On June 4, 2026, Trooper Kevon Medley responded to reports of a reckless driver traveling eastbound on Interstate 40. After locating the vehicle, he attempted to conduct a traffic stop, but the driver failed to respond. As the trooper continued following the vehicle, he noticed the driver appeared to be slumped over behind the wheel, raising concerns that she could be experiencing a medical emergency.
Get on the interstate at Franklin. 11. What's your speed? Okay. Maybe just try and pull up beside her and see if we can get her attention or something. Let's go.
long as she's not causing any issue, just stay behind her and let him get up there and maybe up the box for him to get her stopped.
Excuse me!
Troopers spent the next several miles trying to safely stop the vehicle, repeatedly attempting to get the driver's attention by pulling alongside her and using different siren patterns. Additional units joined the incident, and after spike strips failed, officers successfully slowed the vehicle with a rolling box maneuver. However, the driver suddenly accelerated again, striking 2 patrol vehicles as she continued trying to drive away.
61247 at the 239 eastbound. If we come up on any kind of stop traffic, we'll have to go stop.
Okay, she's standing. Like she's gasping for air now. Fortunately, I'm doing a roll and I'm in front of her. Looks like she may be able to stop.
She's still trying to go. We're going to have to TVR.
She's still trying to go. We're gonna have to TVR.
Yeah, TVR. TVR, she has rolled over this.
With no other safe option remaining, Lieutenant McMillian performed a tactical vehicle intervention, causing the vehicle to spin and roll onto its side. Officers immediately removed the driver from the SUV and requested emergency medical assistance. She was later identified as Regina Blaker Hall, transported by helicopter for treatment, and cited on misdemeanor criminal charges. Deputy Sean McGuigan was monitoring traffic near Interstate 75 in Macanopy when he spotted a gold Chevy Suburban run a stop sign while exiting the interstate. The SUV struck a curb, entered the oncoming lane, and when the deputy activated his emergency lights and siren, the driver refused to stop and sped away, initiating a pursuit.
50 miles an hour. Heading toward Marion County, he's flipping me off.
Okay, notify Marion. 1031, let's take a one game. Yep. What's your speed?
We're at 30, I'm pitting. Pit failed. Back back up to 80. This SHP is coming back up on me.
Get the mutual challenge ready.
Speed 70 miles an hour. Traffic light, roads somewhat wet.
We're sure we're blocked now. We're coming up with 326.
The suspect drove extremely recklessly, traveling the wrong way on US 441 and reaching speeds of nearly 100 miles per hour through a construction zone. During the pursuit, Deputy McGuigan attempted several pit maneuvers, successfully spinning the SUV into the median, but the driver regained control and continued fleeing. The suspect then intentionally rammed the deputy's patrol vehicle multiple times as additional law enforcement units joined the chase.
Alright, you're around? Yep. He's in the inside lane here due to the construction. Come on, don't call us. Mike, it's stuck right here.
We'll ram those cars. Yes. He's on the inside lane now. Back on the outside lane.
Veterans Way, still southbound into George Marion County.
Speeds 100. Traffic light.
Sorry, we stopped there. Real stopped there? Just headed into Marion. Close.
The pursuit finally came to an end after Deputy Stevenson executed a successful pit maneuver. Even then, the driver tried to escape once more before Florida Highway Patrol and several deputies boxed the vehicle in and took him into custody without further incident. Investigators later learned the suspect had been involved in a similar pursuit earlier that day and was already on probation for DUI and fleeing law enforcement.